Hey everybody, this is a quick video to show you how to do a hard reset on your TOZO NC2 Bluetooth wireless earbuds. In case you're having any issues like only one of the earbuds is connecting, you're getting sound only out of the left ear or the right ear, or maybe they won't connect at all, you're having their keep disconnecting, things like that. A hard reset can fix a lot of these issues and it's very easy to do. What you want to do is you want to go ahead and put your earbuds in the case and close the case. And then I also recommend you go ahead and turn Bluetooth off on whatever device you're using it on, and you can go ahead and have it forget that these earbuds. And then you're going to come on, and on the bottom back of the case, you see there is this button here. So what you'll do is you'll press and hold that button, and you'll need to press and hold it for about 20 seconds. And you can watch the indicator lights on the front. Once they've blinked about 5 times, then the lights will actually turn off. And you can turn them back on, take your earbuds out, and repair them with whatever device you wish as a new device.